Last week, a company fired over 700 employees. No protest, no headline, no outrage. Because almost nobody noticed. Why? Because their work didn't stop. Emails were still being answered. Customers were still being supported. Marketing campaigns were still launching. But there was one difference. There were no humans doing it anymore. This wasn't outsourcing, this wasn't automation, this was something new. Something insiders are calling the ghost worker AI. And if you think this won't affect you, you might already be too late. Let's break this down properly. For years, AI has been improving. We saw tools that could write essays, generate images, help with coding, but those tools had one limitation. They needed you. You had to guide them, prompt them, fix their mistakes. They were assistant, but in 2026 something changed. A new types of AI started emerging. Not tools, agents. These AI agents don't just respond, they act. You give them a goal like launch a product, run a marketing campaign, handle customer support, and they don't ask what next. They figure it out themselves, step by step, like a human would. Actually, faster than a human would. They break big tasks into smaller ones, assign subtasks to other AIs, execute everything automatically, then check their own work, no supervision, no breaks, no complaint. That's why companies aren't calling them tools anymore. They are calling them digital employees. Now, here's where things get uncomfortable because this isn't just about saving time, it's about replacing entire team. Let me give you a real scenario. A startup recently tested the system. They gave an AI agent one goal, launch a complete marketing campaign for a new product that includes market research, competitor analysis, copywriting, ad creatives, email funnels, social media posts. A human team took 3 days to do this. The AI, it finished in just 6 hours. And it didn't just finish faster, it actually performed better. Higher engagement, more clicks, lower cost. That's when everything changed. Because companies realized something powerful and dangerous. This isn't about helping employees, this is about replacing them. Think about it like this. A human worker needs salary, needs rest, makes mistakes, work limited hours, and AI workers cost almost nothing, work 24/7, learns instantly, improves every time. Now ask yourself, if you were running a company, who would you choose? Here's the scariest part. This isn't happening loudly. There are no big announcement. No CEO is going on stage saying we replaced human with AI. Instead, it's happening quietly, step by step. First, companies stop hiring. Then when someone leaves, they don't replace them. They replace the role with AI. Slowly, departments shrink. Customer support handled by AI chat agent. Content writing generated automatically. Basic coding done by AI copilot. Even decision making now assisted by AI analytics system. And the craziest part, most customers don't even notice. They are still getting replies, still seeing content, still buying product, but behind the scenes, the humans are disappearing. This is what experts are calling the silent replacement era. Now let's bring this to your life because this isn't just about companies, this is about you. Imagine this, you apply for a job, you have got the skills, you have got the degree, you have prepared for months, but you don't get selected. Not because someone better applied, but because the company decided they don't need a human anymore. That's the new reality. You're not competing with people, you are competing with AI. And AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't get stressed. It doesn't ask for raise. That changes everything. But here's where it gets interesting. Because this isn't the end of jobs. It's the transformation of job. A new role is emerging. The AI operator. These are people who don't compete with AI. They control it, one person managing multiple AI agents, running an entire business alone. Think about that. In the past, to build a company, you needed a team, funding, time. Now, one skilled person with AI can do the work of 10, maybe even 100. That's not science fiction. That's already happening. We are entering a completely new economic era where efforts matters less than leverage. Knowledge matters less than execution and tools matter more than titles. This is bigger than internet because the internet connected people but AI replaces people. That's the massive difference and it creates two types of individual. Those who ignore AI, those who use AI. The gap between these two groups is going to explode. We are talking about income gaps, opportunity gap, skill gaps, all driven by one thing. So now the question is not, is AI dangerous? The real question is, are you prepared? Because whether you like it or not, this shift is already happening. Right now, while you are watching this video, some company is replacing a role with AI. Some person is losing an opportunity because someone has used AI better. And someone somewhere is building a business with zero employees, just AI. So here's what I want to know. Be honest. What are you going to do? Ignore this and hope it doesn't affect you. Learn about AI slowly or master it and stay ahead. Type ignore, learn or master in the comment. I'm reading every single one. And if you want to stay ahead of this shift, not behind it, hit the subscribe button because this isn't just another tech trend. This is a complete reset of how the world works. And the people who understand it early don't just survive, they win.